Today we're going to adjust the carburetor on this Ryobi BP42 leaf blower. It's a backpack blower. It's pretty new, except that idles great, but then once you hit the fuel, it bogs down and dies. So I'm going to get it started up and show you exactly what it's doing. Alright, so as you see, it was idling great, but once I hit the gas, it bogged down and died. So odds are that the high adjustment screw on our carburetor needs adjusted. So down here, they're kind of hard to see. There's two little screws that are right there. So there's two of them. I'm not sure which one is which. And so I'm going to start it. I'm just going to kind of play with one of them and see if it changes the idling. If it doesn't, then you know that's the high. And then we'll get going. If it does change idling, I'll adjust it back, and then we'll go to the other one. So for these screws on the new ones, newer stuff, they have these special screws on there. They don't allow you just to use a flathead like you used to. So I bought this kit on Amazon, for like 10 bucks I think, and it has all the different kinds in there. So whatever I need to work on, now I have the screws that I need. So I'm going to get this started back up, figure out which screw is the idle, and then we'll adjust the other one. So on this leaf blower, the high idle screw, or the high speed screw, is the one closest to the green case here. So I got it out there. So I'm going to get it started, and I'm just going to start turning it until we get a good sound and it doesn't shut off on us. So I'm going to leave the camera running while I do this, just so you can kind of see and hear what's going on with it. Alright, so as you can see, it was pretty easy. Just kept squeezing the trigger. I didn't want it to die. I just kind of kept squeezing it to give it gas, and then I came over with my other hand with this thing, just turning it. First I started going right, and then I started going left, and it started getting better. You just kind of keep adjusting it until it sounds about right. And that's it. It's a very easy fix on a lot of these leaf blowers and mowers and chainsaws and everything else. A lot of times if it's bogging down when you're hitting gas, it's the carburetor needs adjusted. You know, they can factory settings, and then they get worked on and the screws shift and whatnot. So easy fix. If you have any questions on this, please leave those in the comments below and hit subscribe.